Hey everybody, Jeff McDermott from Create Wealth Financial Planning here, and this month I want to talk to you about some ways you can put your monthly child tax credit payments to work, even if you're not getting those payments. Sometimes we get a tax refund or we get a bonus, some unexpected flow of income, and it's nice to think ahead of time about how you might use that to improve your financial plan. Now, if you are getting the child tax credit payments, that's great. It's not a small amount of money. Most families are getting at least a couple $100 each month, maybe $300, $400, $500 a month, depending on your income and your family size. And remember, this is a prepayment of your anticipated 2021 child tax credit, prepayment of one half of that amount. So what are 7 ways that you might be able to put that money to work in your financial plan? Well, number one, if your emergency fund's a little bit light, you can use it to pad that cash account and try to help build up to that 3 to 6 months of living expenses that we like to see in cash just in case of an emergency. On the other hand, number 2, you might have built up some credit card debt, and it can be a great way to pay that down a little bit more quickly, attacking the high interest rate debt first and hopefully speeding up that payoff. Now, number 3, if those aren't an issue, you might think about your own professional development. Is there a continuing education course or a certification you've put off, and this monthly money might be what allows you to go out and get that and hopefully improve your earning potential? Kind of on a similar line, number 4, are there any health-related goals you've been working on? Could you use this money to hire that coach or that personal trainer to help you achieve what you'd like to do there from a health standpoint? Now, number 5, maybe you've got something around the house that needs upgrading. Some energy efficient light bulbs, energy efficient appliances, something else that's hanging around needing repair, costing you money each month. Take this opportunity to replace it and improve cash flow going forward. Now, number 6, some of you may have a situation if you've made quite a bit more money in 2021 versus previous years. You could be receiving an overpayment of the credit, and you might have to return some of that money when you file your taxes. And if you determine that's the case, you might want to set that money aside so you know it's there if you have a payment due when you file your taxes. Finally, number 7, if you can't think of anything else to do with the money, you can always invest it, add money to that brokerage account, or make a Roth IRA contribution. This is where working with a financial advisor is a great help, and we can help determine the right kind of account to make the contribution, the right kind of investment mix. So certainly, if you're not sure what to do with that money or you're not sure about your own situation, take a few moments to sit down with a financial professional. Let me know if we can help, and make the most out of those monthly child tax credit payments or any unexpected flow of income. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you again next month.